Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. The transfer function of a mass spring damper system is given as G of S, that is 1 by ms square plus bs plus k, and a frequency response data is also given for the system. We need to find unit step response of the system approaching a steady state value. Okay, so let us assume we are going with a system mass spring damper system which was given as G of S, and input for this one is, for example, R of S, and this is Y of S. So Y of S is equal to, we can write it as G of S into R of S, and after taking inverse Laplace transform what you will obtain is Y of t. Okay, so Y of t can be calculated after taking inverse Laplace transform of Y of S, and we are going to calculate unit step response of the system approaching a steady state value. Steady state is reaches whenever time is tending to infinite. So we are going to calculate, this is steady state value Y of infinity, that is t value is infinite when unit step input is given, that is R of t is equal to unit step. Input is unit step. For that one, Laplace domain R of S is equal to written as 1 by S. So if the input is 1 by S, step input unit step can be written as 1 by S in Laplace domain. So now you will calculate Y of S by using R of S is equal to 1 by S. Then you are going to calculate Y of infinity. Y of infinity in t domain, okay, can be calculated like this. Y of infinity, that is final value. This can be calculated from final value theorem. Final value theorem can be calculated in two different ways, as t tends to infinity, Y of t, otherwise limit s tends to 0, s into Y of s. Now Y of s is directly available for us, whereas Y of t is inverse Laplace transform of Y of s. So again, if you are going for this t tends to infinity, okay, you need to calculate inverse Laplace transform of Y of s, whereas if you are using this one, limit s tends to 0, it is directly readily available, we can calculate it easily. So we will use this one to calculate Y infinity, Y at t is equal to infinite. Okay, so Y of s, first we need to calculate. Y of s is equal to G of s into R of s. G of s into R of s. G of s is 1 by ms square plus bs plus k into 1 by s, R of s is. Now you will use this equation Y at infinite, that is steady state value, which is final value, s tends to 0, s into 1 by s times of 1 by ms square plus bs plus k. S and s get cancels. Y of infinity is equal to 1 by k you will get, as s is going to be substituted with 0. So ms square will become 0, bs will become 0, so it will be equal to 1 by k. And this 1 by k value, if you know, that is nothing but steady state value. Okay, this is equation 1. Next, and look at the transfer function what was given, G of s. G of s magnitude and G of s phase angle as given as a tabulated form. So now we will see G of s is also having 1 by k. So can we say that one G of s with s tending to 0 is equal to, as s is substituted with 0, is it equal to 1 by k or not? Okay, you will get the same value, that is 1 by k, whenever G of s, in G of s, if s is substituted to 0, s is tending to 0, then the value is 1 by k. Now s is tending to 0 is actually j omega is tending to 0, that is omega is tending to 0. So omega is tending to 0 is very small values of omega. So out of this table which has given omega so many values, out of that one 0.01 is going to be treated as which is tending to 0. So G of s with omega is equal to 0.01, magnitude of G of s with omega is equal to 0.01, okay, will be treated as 1 by k. But this 1 by k is a numerical value, whereas the gain is given in decibels. So first we will calculate G of s with omega is equal to 0.01 is given as minus 18.5 decibels. Decibels cannot be given for the k. K is a integer. So first you have to convert this decibels into normal integer value. That integer value will be given to 1 by k. Okay. So minus 18.5 decibels is equal to 20 log of 1 by k, because 1 by k is given in decibels as minus 18.5. So now we are writing it as my 1 by k in decibels. You can represent in this way. Now 1 by k is equal to, okay, 10 power minus 18.5 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.118. So this 8 if you are neglecting, so 1 by k is equal to 0.12 approximately. So final steady state value, which is 1 by k, whose value is approaching 0.12 as time tending to infinity. From equation 1 we can write it as y of infinity is equal to 1 by k. 1 by k is the value is 0.12. So the right answer for this question is 0.12. Thank you.